Looking for hosting the perfect corporate event in Bhubaneswar? Welcome to Hotel Crystal Crown, crafted for seamless corporate experiences and grand celebrations. From impactful conferences and annual meets to seminars, networking events, award nights and corporate celebrations, we bring every event to life with seamless hospitality and world-class venues. Introducing Crown Hall, Bhubaneswar's largest pillar-less indoor banquet hall, designed to host 500 to 1,000 guests with grandeur and comfort. Perfect for corporate launches, large-scale conferences, and prestigious business gatherings. For seminars, workshops, training sessions, and meetings, Pearl Hall offers versatile spaces ideal for 100 to 500 guests, curated for productivity and professionalism. Want to celebrate beyond boardrooms? Savannah Lawn creates the perfect setting for corporate evenings, team gatherings, gala dinners, and outdoor celebrations under the open sky. Delight your guests with specially curated multi-cuisine menus crafted to suit every corporate occasion. From business lunches to grand buffets, every detail is served with excellence. Conveniently located just 30 minutes from the airport, Hotel Crystal Crown ensures smooth accessibility for all your guests and delegates. With ample parking space for over 200 vehicles, every check-in is effortless and hassle-free. Complete the experience with our relaxed luxury stay options designed for comfort after a productive day. At Hotel Crystal Crown, we don't just host events, we create professional experiences with sophistication, comfort, and flawless execution. Book your next corporate event with Hotel Crystal Crown today.